Hello there, welcome to Genesis Models. My name is Vlog100 and welcome to another vlog. In this vlog we're going to be talking about what's going to be the new group build that's going to be starting in 2020 here at Genesis Models. But just to quickly recap, we are coming to the end of two group builds at the moment. We have the Battle of Britain group build, which is coming to an end on the 30th of December. So, you know, you've still got a bit of time to finally get your work finished and get it ready to be judged, because as you can see, the trophies, they have arrived. It did take a little bit of getting hold of these with COVID going on, but they are here and ready to be shipped out when I pick the winners. Come we'll probably do maybe a week or two just after the after December. I'll do a nice little sort of montage video showing, you know, your work and who are the winners and everything. But we also had the lockdown group build 2.0, which we just did because of the second lockdown that was going on. That also comes to an end on the 30th of December 2020, and I'll probably announce the winner of that one in the January 2021 show, and we'll get that prize shipped out as well, and all this gets shipped out free of charge. But then we come to, as I say, the next group build here at Genesis Models, which as always I let you guys pick what you want to do. You put your proposals in on the forum and you all have a little bit of a vote, and what you guys voted for, which is quite interesting because it actually follows on after the Battle of Britain, which the next group build for 2021 is going to be the Blitz, right? So the Blitz was 1940 to 1941. It kind of follows on, sort of mixes in a little bit with the Battle of Britain, and it is quite a nice sort of follow on from the Battle of Britain, because we're still in that sort of same area, that sort of same subject area, but we're going into a different battle. Now that's going to be starting on the 1st of January 2021. It will end on the 30th of June 2021. So you've got a good 6 months to get something built over that period. Now you could build pretty much anything you want to build. I mean, we are talking, pretty much quite a lot of it is what you could have built in the Battle of Britain. We're talking the Luftwaffe, we're talking the RAF, Spitfires, bombers, all those kind of cool things. But because it's the Blitz, I can see this one being one where, you guys could do some really cool bits of diorama. I mean, the Blitz was all about, cities being bombed and everything, so I mean there could be an opportunity here to do sort of dioramas on rubble, blown up buildings, all sorts of figures. You've got AA guns, all sorts of things like that, and as always, it doesn't matter, we don't sort of put loads of rules on these things. You can use aftermarket parts, different decals, any scale kit, any manufacturer you like. All it's got to do is have some sort of a representation of being in the Blitz, right? So you've got a good 6 months to get that done. Hopefully you'll get in on it. Hopefully you'll be looking for who's going to be our winner for the Battle of Britain group build that ends soon, and hopefully you'll watch that video as well. But until next time, as always, hopefully you've enjoyed this nice little vlog here, just kind of going through the group builds that are going on the forum. But as always, until next time, my name's Vlog100, this is Genesis Models, and I hope you've enjoyed.